it. Sorry. I'm bad at reading graffiti.
You're going too fast.
Jesus loves you, Grandma.
Yep.
Yep, he does love us. Yay. Whoa, look at this train. This is awesome. Now we're reading graffiti finally. And if we were on the other side, we wouldn't be reading the graffiti because there would be less pages.
Yeah, there's less. Damn, on the other side.
Yeah, I don't like about there's less on the other side. What was that character?
Well, I don't know. He looks like he's coming out of a bean or something.
Oh, I think it said a French word that I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's in French. Free, I need to set you free, yeah. Let's go, baby. IDE, yeah. Yep, that's the end already.
Top speed was 36 miles an hour.
115 cars and 3 engines.